Yeah, you're welcome. This is a build up to where we stopped from the last lesson. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do that and please click the notification bell so to be at alert whenever a video drops in. So just like I said before, these track changes, when changes are made to your work, you can track them. When they are tracked, you could accept. The last time we learned how to accept, you can likewise reject. Rejecting means those changes will not be accepted. That means what you type initially, the original work will remain as it is. So when you're done working, remember to turn off the track changes. So going back to what I promised us doing, let's say this is a work, and this work you're traveling and you don't want anyone to open the work and tamper with it, and you want to restrict people from tampering with the work. What do you do? Simple. Under the same review, you just come to restrict editing. Click on restrict editing. Your focus should be on the number 2, editing restriction. When you click here, no changes means nobody can touch anything. You can press enter, you can type in A or Z. So you leave it at no change. If you want to do track changes too, you can do that, but I'll leave it at no change because I don't want any editing on the work. So when you've done that, click on everyone, because you have 5 users on the PC, everyone will be affected by these changes. Having done that, you say yes, start enforcing protection. You click on it, it will ask you for a password. You lock it up, 1 2 3 4 5 6 for instance. You still repeat it, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then you now say okay. With that, your work is restricted. So someone opens up this work and he wants to type something inside. Oh, no way. So just like I promised, we're going to look at how we're going to, save our work with password so that someone doesn't have access to, our work made for any malicious or tampering. Now let's go on. So we're going to do that. So we'll come to File. This is our first time we're saving. So you can do save. We'll come to save. Maybe say today is beautiful. I might write quotes as the name. You don't just rush to save. You just come to here, tools, come to general options, then password to open. Your focus should be this password to open. Password to modify, don't bother yourself so much about that. So just password to open. We're using 1 2 3 4 5 6 as a password to open, for instance. And when I say yeah, I say okay. We enter the password to open, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Say okay. Before you now say saved. When you save this work, let me close up this work. Let's close this work. Okay, we've saved the work with quotes, and then we want to now open it. This is the quote. When I now try to open it, guess what? It asks me for password. So here you put your 1 2 3 4 5 6. And the work opens. Without a password, you can't open the work. So you have to be very, very careful, because if you lose your password, you've lost your work. Very, very careful about it.